What's up, Kurlz Crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Today I am going to be showing you guys another skincare routine. Today is going to feature my Global Beauty Care. It is the Dead Sea Mud Mask. It's charcoal, but this one's a charcoal mud mask. This is my favorite. I'm sorry, so you guys can see it's just about half gone. But it's going to be my first time using the charcoal cleansing nose strips. So we'll see how that goes. But if you guys would like to see that, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so first we are going to take our Global Beauty Care Buoy de la Mort mask. It is a charcoal mask and it does come with that very cute little spatula there so you can apply it to your face. I am not sure what I was just thinking in that moment. But anyway, just apply this to you guys' face and we will move on from there. Then we are going to take our charcoal nose strip and we are going to apply that. Please ignore what I did because I put it on upside down, but you guys will see once I go to take it off that I actually fixed it. I was reading the instructions here, but for some reason I still put it on wrong. Okay guys, so now it is time to peel that, yes, strip off. But I will tell you guys, it didn't take that much off. But now I am just rinsing all of that mask off of my face so my face is nice and clean. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe by clicking that red subscription down at the bottom. It will turn gray once you are subscribed, and please hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.